Way. Anything you give, it seems we go on to whatever you know. Basic information. Now in the primary locale, you have to use that particular language. It's just doing English, but you can, let's say, you're creating it for, maybe, let's say China, or maybe Russia, or maybe, any Spanish-speaking country. You have to choose that one correct, and then you. And keep on creating. Okay, like that for a bit. Okay, create add questions to a quiz type. I created a quiz. Now, but I haven't added any question into it, right? How would system know what question? So I'll click on it. It will help you understand the quiz, because there can be, like I said, there can be 20 questionnaires that you want to add, and those can be different. You click on it. Go to content, OK. Performance. On the ID. Okay, so I click on this and this primary look at it, or if I want to change as I said, you can change it. So what kind of question I want to create to work for, like we did see this. There are 3 or 2. I mean, there is a question and there is only one, true or false, answer to it. This is the correct answer. I write the question. And these are the feedback. Like you can see that you can change the feedback. Correct. You can write here, you can go ahead or something, whatever you want to write. Now the fill in the blank. Okay. So the moment I hit public automatically, this will be okay, okay. Public domain. If I'm a new icon, yes, so this is one way of completing your brain, the normal one. It doesn't have to be graded right, sorry. Is it automatically has to be graded? We can. But it has to be graded. So, examine, this one has to be graded. So if I want them just to provide us comments, and then what I had to use, feedback that instead of use of it. Yeah. So understand this one. The quiz type will be just like this one. True or false. You have fill in the blank or any normal answer, just like normal quiz. You know, whatever one line or two exam can be an elaborated one. Okay. Like you can see the opposite. So we have create new questions in the question library. You understand right, there are a lot of things that are available in the library. And from that library I'm going to choose one of them, right? Whatever, I want to learn. I have a lot of books available in the library, so I will use only one book. Whichever, I want to create a new objective. Objective is for what you actually want to learn from, and associate an objective to the questions and library. So let's say, for an example, I created library for 10 question or 10 things like. Details are there, like how to learn, understand the success factor and understand STM, understand Oracle, and then I created an objective that I have to learn about SAP. Now SAP goes with your success factor. So I would attack that success factor with your SAP. Write and create an exam type assessment. Now I will create an exam for what success factor SAP got OK and add questions from the library to the exam type. This is also very important. So if we go and take the first, how to create the exam library, very simple, same way you go there. And here question library, you will click on. Click on add new. And so we should actually create all the questions that we want in this library and just pick and choose. Next time it's just library, where you have created a lot of it, and you create an objective and attach that to the question.